WWDP Radio.
Stealth is one of two accelerator coasters in the UK. One here and then Rita, Stealth Towers. It's totally different forces working on it. The gravity is obviously taken up by chain and dropped from height. We go from a complete standing start to 80 mile an hour in 2 seconds. So there's a lot of force being put on the train and the launch mechanism itself, the catch car. That again is inspected, stripped down. Catch car that actually launches the trains, stripped down, crack tested. And then the refurb of all the hydraulic equipment in the bunker, motors, etc. getting exchanged, pumps getting taken out, sent away for inspection, and then all the filtration within the system itself gets changed over. So that we've always got 2 trains in operation. We have 3 trains and we work on a sort of a rolling basis. So the train that was on last year will get taken off, stripped down, inspected, and that will be ready as a sort of a head start for the winter strip, so that we're not having to do 2 complete trains through the winter period, because it'd be very tight from November through to March.